Hi folks, today we're going to have a look at a series of tutorials on Photoscape X. It's a free editing software, so I'm going to cover just the basic editing, some cropping and some composition. Let's get started. So following on from the previous tutorial of how to edit your image, I've taken this image which I've already edited and I've sharpened and I have saved in a large format just to avoid us going through this. And now I'm going to show you how to crop the files for Instagram. So the first crop we're going to do is a 1x1. So that is where we have the longer side and the shorter side are the same. That's the basic Instagram crop. We'll go crop, and then I need to straighten this image slightly. I hate things that are not straight. And let's have a quick look there. There we go, that's about right. So now we've got a square image. So what we can do is we can resize it, and the perfect size for Instagram is 1080 pixels. We're going to apply that, and then we're going to save it, and we're going to save as. We're going to take this file name and we're going to go IG_square, so we've got the right size image. And if you have a quick look there, I'm going at 75%, which is more than enough, and we'll save that. So now we have the square photo. So I'm just going to revert to the original again. And it has already been edited, as I said. So we can go to the crop tool. We can go to the portrait crop now in Instagram, which is the 4x5. So I can have that over there. We're going to apply the crop. Again, we need to just change the angle on this slightly. We're going to go apply, and then we go resize this image, and we go 1080 on the width again, which is very important. Now you'll see the height is 1350. The height on Instagram doesn't really make a difference. So we're going to apply that. We're going to go to save, and we're going to save as portrait, P-O-R-T-R-I-T, portrait. And we're saving it in the same folder, save, and there we have saved. We have now got that. So let's revert to the original. Let's go to crop. The next crop I want to go to is the 2x1. This is the crop we are going to use if you'd like to do a split in this image. So I'm going to put that nicely over there, bring it a little back smaller. We can crop, straighten again, apply. Going to resize this image. Now because we are going to prepare this file for slicing, if you take the standard 1080 size of the maximum width times 2, gives you 2160 pixels, and there you can see the height will be 1080. So we're going to apply that, and we're going to go save as IG slice 2, save, and there we go. And let's revert back to the original. We want to crop it now, and we can crop it by the width. We're going to crop 3 on the one on the other one, click OK, and now we go for this, and we're preparing it for a 3-slice image. We go crop, and again we just need to straighten this. Okay, and we can go and apply. And then what we need to do is we need to save this image, and we're going to save as. And just before we save, where do we cancel this? We've got to resize, sorry. And because we are going to make this 3 slices, 1080 times 3 is 3240, and you can see the height then is the maximum 1080. We can apply that, and then we go save as, same file name, except it's a 3 slice. So there we have our saving and our cropping for an image to be used for Instagram. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial.